in that earlier case, no, they were judicially declared owners. Okay, so the petitioners were declared judicially as owners, no, declared by the court in that case, in that other case, as owners of the said lots, no. So mo na pasabot sa judicially declared owners. Sa korte, sa desisyon sa korte, sa lain nga kaso, gideklara sila nga tagiya, no, judicially declared owners of said lots. Petitioners are entitled to possession thereof as against respondents whose entries into the said properties are illegal. So, the respondents in this case filed an appeal with the regional trial court. So later na decision sa regional trial court which affirmed with modification the omnibus judgment of the first level court. Okay? Regional trial court mo na gitawag na second level trial court. Ang municipal trial court or municipal trial court in cities or municipal circuit trial court, MTC, MTCC, municipal trial court in cities, MTCC, municipal circuit trial court, MCTC, muna siya gitawag ng mga first level court. So, gi-affirm sa second level court ang decision sa first level court, no? So, gikan sa first level na decision, gi-apilar sa second level, gi-affirm, no? Ni agree ang second level court. So, unsa may naa sa decision sa second level court? Ang decision sa first level court gi-affirm pero na giusab gamay mo na gitawag na affirmed with modification as to the judgment against certain defendants, si Rinaldo o si Adriano, who did not file an appeal therefrom, no, kaya mas ni apilar. So respondents, they filed with the Court of Appeals a petition for review under Rule 42 of the Rules of Court. So remedy na siya nimo kung mapildi ka, pwede nimo ipasaka from the Regional Trial Court to the Court of Appeals under Rule 42. The question diri ang decision sa Regional Trial Court. So unsa may decision sa Court of Appeals? So the petition is granted. Ang decision sa Regional Trial Court is set aside. So gibaliktad ang decision sa Regional Trial Court. Gabuhat siya og bag-o nga decision, no? It rendered a new decision setting aside the judgment of the first level court in the civil cases, no, consolidated civil cases for action publicana or recovery of possession, and dismissing the consolidated cases for lack of merit. So ordered. So nabaliktad ang desisyon, no, na nabali. Daog sila sa ubos, pildi sila sa Court of Appeals. So ang Court of Appeals ni ruling nga ang RTC used by the RTC and Court of Appeals decisions used by the municipal trial court, no, in holding that herein petitioners are owners of the subject properties and are thus entitled to legal possession thereof, are based on a previous action reimmedicatoria, which is a suit in personam. Okay? So, dahil man ang suit in rem, suit in personam daw. So, ato na i-discuss later on. Okay? So, the Court of Appeals held that being an action in personam, the judgment in the said case binds only the parties properly impleaded therein. Okay? So, unsa implication ani? A suit, an action in personam, kung ang kaso between ra ni Pedro ug ni Juan, napildi baron dito si Pedro sa lain nga kaso. Sa laing kaso nga between si Pedro ug si Juan, napildi si Pedro ato nga kaso. Kung nailang kaso si Juan ug si Robert, di pud pasabot niya pildi na si Robert, no? Kay katong kaso nga una, kang Pedro ug Juan man to, may labot si Robert dito. Gets ra, no? So kumbaga, kung kamo ray gaaway, inyo hara na way labot ang laing tawo, no? An action in personam. The judgment in the said case binds only the parties properly impleaded therein. Katong way labot, di ito mo affect niya ang decision adtong kasuha. Okay? So mo na siya action in personam. Since the respondents were not parties to the said action, the Court of Appeals concluded that they could not be bound by the judgments declaring petitioners as owners of the disputed properties. Nindot na ha? So let's see unsay resulta ani sa kaso. I will see you sa next episode.